Yes, we are addicted to Pokemon cards. Yes, there's another video of Pokemon cards. Yes, they're Chinese. No, they're not Japanese. No, they're not English. This is an Arcanine special. We're about to rip them and hope for the best. Are we gonna get it up?
First pack. First pack magic. First pack magic. Do I know these names? No.
That's right, you know that one.
Yeah, right. Pack number 2. Whoa, chill. I suck at opening these, bro.
I'm gonna open them. I'm gonna get them ready.
Oh, that's smart.
To rip and shit.
Oh, nice Pokeball. Jeez. It's a rare. What? Butterfly. Card. Another Pokeball. Okay. Oh. Dang, that was a trash bag. EX. What is that? Freaking crab? I'm gonna crab.
We got Mr. Krabs! That's cool.
No fucking thing, man. Mr. Crab. Crobat. I already know that dude. Oh. Bang.
Oh, it's in my head.
Miggy? No. You're fatty. Oh, another EX. Respect. Wait, so maybe there is. Maybe you gotta do
One in the back.
two to the front. Two to the front. Maybe, I don't know.
Try it right now.
Alright, to the front. Nope.
One in the front.
Growlithe Pokeball. You think it's one to the front? Probably. Oh, you know, bro. We'll find out. One to the front. One. Oh, I didn't do it. Wait, see, it's two of this one. I don't even know. All of the X's.
25 cents, yes.
25 cents EXs.
Yeah, collect your X's, guys. 25 cents each. I made $60.
Mimikyu Pokeball. Mimikyu. Bang. Another Pokeball. Wait, who is this? Is it the guy? The Sea Titan?
I don't know.
I don't even know. Nothing. Bro, I didn't get nothing. I got cooked. $50.
Yeah, at least I didn't
You're
lie.
still organizing over there?
At least I didn't lie in the intro.
Huh?
I get absolutely nothing.
We're just getting Pokeballs for days. That was my last one.
Really?
Oh, your turn.
Wow. I don't have all the hits. Things. Like I said, we're getting absolutely nothing. We're just addicts. A Master Ball. Let's go. First try.
Cool.
Look at that. I don't know. This is like a mongoose. What the heck is this?
Well, I think it's actually called one.
There you go. Where you got a Master Ball. From the master himself. Which is me. But you know, keep moving. There you go. Pokeball. Awesome. Pokeball. Alright. Another Pokeball.
We're getting Pokeball for days.
If any of you guys have opened any Chinese packs,
It's an extra.
let us know. Are they worth buying? Because we don't know if they are or not. Because you know, we just waste our money because we're a bunch of idiots. But it's okay. We do it for the content. It's okay. You guys see us in the street one day? You know why? Here we go. Oh, we got a rare, a holo rare.
Which one is yours? What are you gonna keep?
Another Pokeball.
Nah, Pokeballs in my rush. I can sleep.
I need someone worth something. Oh, full art. Full art. Shine Bow. Shine Bow. Look at that. First full art. Let's go. But if that's the only hit we get, then it is what it is. Here we go. Hollow rare.
Gee, don't we need this fool?
Another Pokeball. Look at that. Here we go. Last three. Can we get a huge hit? Well, not on this one. Just a hollow rare again. Second to last pack. Here we go. And a Pokeball. Yeah, we're getting a lot of Pokeballs. Maybe those are really common.
Yeah.
Here we go. Last pack magic. And this is a pack I get to keep. Thank you to the Barca.
Imagine he gets
Can we get an Arcanine? We're about to find out. Or will Chime Pow be the only hit we get? That's huge. And the Master Ball. Let's see. We're about to find out.
Oh, ahorita voy. Cuando lleva.
And an SR Arcanine! Look at that. Not the one we were looking for, but it's an SR. Ooh. And I get to keep this one. Let's go. By the way, guys, he chose the pack for me.
I actually did.
He chose the pack for me to keep. Look at that. Last pack magic, indeed. Let's go. Well, it looks like we, I don't know how much this is worth. Hopefully it's worth something, but we kind of low-key still wasting money for absolutely no reason, but it's okay. We do it for you guys. Again, if we see you guys on the street as homeless people, you know why.
Oh, wait, I forgot.
These are the hits of today. You know, some EXs, few of them, and then all the Pokeballs. All the Pokeballs. A lot of them, actually. Wow, kind of crazy. I guess they are common. Yeah, it has a C on it. They are common. Pokeballs are common. Okay. The more you know. The Master Ball, the only Master Ball. Also a common, apparently. Then Chime Pow. SR. And the one and only Arcanine SR. Wow. Beautiful card, by the way. Very beautiful card. Yeah, at least you get to keep Chime Pow. There you go.